making bread.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my bakery. I'm gonna make a very easy pizza dough that's ready quickly and it's very suitable for beginners. I'm sure you will all love it.